Here we go with the attempt.
It's okay. Come here, Daisy.
You got her, Shane?
I got it.
Okay, I'm trying to tape it.
She's choking herself.
Daisy, easy. Easy, Daisy.
But I just like, I'll just get something later. Okay.
It's like, get away. Shh. Daisy, be quiet. That is tough. Nope. Shh. Shh.
Due to the price increase on ammo, don't expect a warning shot. Sorry, the times are hard.
Oh, come on, baby. Here it comes. Watch it.
What?
Okay, we're good. We're good. Just stay low. Stay low.
Oh.
Stay low.
No.
Stay. Okay, it's under the pool under the yellow pool table. It's okay. Shh.
Chris, are you getting pictures of this?
I'm getting video. Just everybody stay
Oh,
quiet.
now I can catch it. It's down low.
He's gonna do my hand. Be quiet. Be quiet. He's talking. Oh my God. Is this for real?
Yeah, there's the other bird.
That's the little bird. Oh, it's on the ceiling. It's on the
Should everybody
ceiling.
go outside?
No, it's okay.
Okay, I don't.
Oh my God, it's hanging upside
I'm not leaving my door.
Well, you will if the guy tells you you have to.
Yes, that's the only time. I think we're good now. Yay!
Awesome!
Woo! Claus rules.
What was it doing? Why was it hanging upside down? Just
He's like,
chilling
it's a
out?
Cooper's Hawk for the record on our little video.
Oh my gosh, can I take your picture with him?
Just watch Daisy.
I love him.
Oh yeah, you'll be fine.
Okay, now we get a picture.
Alright, now have you stayed yet?
Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna watch.
Yeah.
Couple more people coming. You guys, anybody else?
Yeah, 2 more.
Okay. I think we're good. Bye, birdie, birdie. What are we naming it? Zoggy. Yay! Woo!
Good job, man. And
Awesome.
No, you can't come